Get rid of dirt, grease, or makeup on face with makeup remover. Clean face with face cleanser. Apply face mask. Nourish skin. Prevent discomfort caused by skin dryness during treatment. Remove mask. Get the nutrients absorbed by patting face, and then wipe face clean with washcloths. Apply a thick layer of gel to the target area. Choose L7 3mm working head and perform treatment on U-zone. Set parameters. Pitch. Adjust the density of the energy output points. Length. Adjust the length of the treatment area. Set the two parameters above based on your needs. The number of shots is the result of quotient plus 1. The quotient is the result when length is divided by pitch. Set the energy at the lowest level at the beginning. When the treatment receiver adapts, raise the energy level. Choose single or repeat based on individual needs. Single is suitable for those with sensitive skin. Repeat is suitable for those who want a comprehensive skin treatment. Press the standby button and then press the lever on the handpiece to begin the treatment. Keep the handpiece perpendicular to the target area. Long press the lever for 3 seconds on the same area, and then do this again on the next area until treatment is performed on every inch of face. Perform the treatment from jawline to the back of ear. Perform the treatment from chin to the front of ear. Perform the treatment from nose vein to ear center. Perform the treatment from cheek to temple. Do the same on the other side of face. Do some repetitions on the areas where nasolabial folds exist. Choose L7 1.5mm working head and perform treatment on T-zone. The details about setting parameters are the same as above, M1 energy level is recommended. Perform treatment on chin, filtrum, nose, and forehead in turn. Wipe the gel off skin. Apply face mask for 15 minutes. If possible, cold vapor can be directed at face or cold hammer can be used on face in a stamping technique. This is to soothe skin, which is an emergency treatment for those who have sensitive skin and experience bad skin reactions after treatment. People who don't experience those skin reactions only need to apply face mask. Remove face mask and wash face clean. Please note, apply face mask for 7 days in a row for skin will have better absorption at that time. Do not expose yourself to strong sun rays. Apply sun cream before outdoor activities. Using exfoliating products in the months following the treatment is not allowed. Going out for sauna, taking a bath, and massage face are not allowed in the week after treatment. Have a regular diet and bedtime. Do not eat something spicy, and do not drink alcohol or smoke. Take one treatment every 3 to 6 months. Do not take treatment frequently because of impatience to see the results. In applicable range, women in pregnancy or lactation, those with heart diseases or who are equipped with pacemakers, those who don't fully recover from operation or whose incisions have not healed yet, those with severe diseases such as epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, or malignant tumors, those with skin diseases or infectious diseases, those who have wounds on the target area.